Calgary, Tower, just 316 with you on the ILS.
South 316 target off, Indy, wind 09010, clear to land, remain 17 left.
Line 7 left, Tower 316.
Air 10 845, right turn Delta 5, contact ground there 12535. 535 in Canada, East 45.
Good afternoon, ground air Canada 845 Heavy and Delta 5, we're at 876.
Yes, 845 Heavy ground, thank you. Bravo, Juliet, Juliet Sierra to the apron.
Bravo, Juliet, Juliet Sierra to the apron, air Canada 845.
Tower now, 1607 ready to go, run 7 left.
At 1607, roger, contact departure 119.8 and your turn to 155, the wind is 0709, clear takeoff runway 17 left today.
Clear to turn runway 155, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff, United 1607.
Air Canada 145, traffic's underway from the threshold, the winds are 0709, clear to land runway 17 left.
Clear to land 17 left, air Canada 145.
145, that's correct. Could I get a spot check from you?
158 out of left, air Canada 145.
Thank you.